Come on, baby. Get her
Coming
face
out right
too so they
now.
can see her face. And then show the tummy where the baby's coming out. The baby's almost out. Little back foot there. I don't know if it's going to come all the way out tonight. A little baby. That's the tail and that's the little back foot, right? There's a back foot. Well,
He's trying to get out, but he's stuck.
no, he's not. He'll still probably do like this for another day or so before he finally lets go of the nipple. We gotta wait another day or so. Okay, kiddo?